What's happening, Too Nice Crew? It's your boy Tevin. I'm back with another video. I'm always smiling. I love this smile. Make sure y'all stay tuned and you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell because I'm gonna be coming out with some more bangers, some more vlogs. Comment below on what else y'all want to see in these vlogs. Y'all gonna be seeing something I've never experienced before in this video, so please make sure y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fun, and I can't wait to share it with y'all. I hope y'all are doing great. I hope y'all are, staying focused, focusing on yourselves, making sure you straight. You know what I'm saying? You can't please everybody. Make sure you please yourself. All right? The Faves got me something for Christmas. The Faves.
From the Faves.
You don't know this stuff.
Yeah, because I wanted to look at it.
What is this? All right. You might drop it on the floor. Ooh.
Open it.
May the force be with you. The force is with you for sure. What? Y'all got the whole shit there. I was about to say I needed another one. I was about to go buy one too. What? What? The microphone come with it too? That's lit. I love it. What? Hey, this is so good. This is cool. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you. Now I'm sure
You're welcome.
I'm gonna record right now. How you do this? How does this thing have like batteries or something?
No, you just plug it up. There's a cord in there.
Oh,
so we just wanted to get you that, just to congratulate you and just thank you, because you are hardworking, motivated, to keep you motivated and keep going and never give up.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I really do.
And we see all your hard work and keep going, brother.
I will.
And you got this.
I will, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna share.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, I'm recording now.
So how does it pick up the audio?
I don't know, but we'll just have to listen to it again.
I hate you.
We'll have to listen to it twice. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty lit though. I really like this.
I did better on part 2.
Like, I feel more official, you feel me? Like, I feel so much more official. Alright guys, so this is me just testing out my new little gadget they got me. You know what I'm saying? The mic. They got me a mic and a new tripod because they was but yeah.
Yeah, it was like, oh yeah, Tevin's gonna like this because we were like, dang, what are we gonna get him?
Yeah, this is like, this is perfect. This is just thing lit.
I don't know what I want to eat.
What you stressed? Because you still
gotta
graduate.
One thing.
I don't like to say no to people.
Make some fucking eggs.
Language, I'm recording.
I don't give no.
I thought you wanted
Beep, 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 beep. You cuss in your videos?
language. I'm recording.
I don't. No. I don't feel like
You know they got a whole
I
thing
don't
now.
really be needing to cuss on there, honestly.
Honestly, I don't.
Sometimes they be slipping out on accident.
Yeah.
Nah.
Shit.
Right?
They got a
No,
thing.
what was I gonna say?
They got a thing.
Oh, on YouTube now you gotta.
Got what?
You gotta. It's a setting where like after you upload, you gotta tell like YouTube whether it's child friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where to say that? I ain't never seen that.
They didn't send you one?
When you upload it.
Like after when you like upload it until you put the
When you
description in
upload
and
it-
stuff, it say it in there.
Well, you gotta go to the settings, and you got. They didn't send you an email. YouTube sent me an email.
They might do.
When I uploaded my videos, it has me choose before I even upload it.
For real?
Is this kid appropriate? Yes or no?
No, they don't have me do that. I have to go in and
But
do
that's
it.
on the computer though. I don't know if you do
Yeah,
it off
it
your
probably
phone.
might be
yeah.
different. That sounds like I ain't never.
I feel like uploading on your computer is faster too. I upload from my phone all
It's
the time.
easier.
Put your hand on the brake, hold it, and now press this end, put it in first, go, and now little by little. Do I take the brake off? Huh? go off in the middle by little. Don't use the throttle yet. Once you start noticing that it's pushing you off, that's when you use it. Just keep on going. Once it starts pushing you, okay, now put a little bit of throttle. There you go. There you go. If you want to turn, use the clutch. You got it.
Okay, what was I doing wrong?
Nothing.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna ride again. I don't think the keys are over here. They're not. But I'm getting ready to ride this one more time before I go. And I'll get some more footage for y'all. This is fun, man. I need one. I'm getting one. I'm getting a bike. Oh, I don't have it. I have it in neutral. I'm There's a car first.
Stand up. What's up the car?
No, it's down first? Oh, it's up, right?
No, it's down first.
Down first. Oh, okay, we're good. All right, y'all, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. But before I send y'all off, I just want to send y'all off with some words of encouragement. Make sure y'all keep grinding. Grind. Believe in yourself. Have faith. Be consistent. And just work hard. Everything else is going to fall in line, you know what I'm saying? Like, surround yourself with like-minded people, too. You know what I'm saying? If you got a goal in mind and, you know what I'm saying, you doing what you need to do and you know what I'm saying, you staying consistent, you know what I'm saying, you just working hard and you just grinding your butt off and you surrounding yourself with people that ain't doing nothing, you know what I'm saying, ain't got no goals in life and ain't, you know what I'm saying, that if you feel it's toxic, which it is toxic, you got to get out of it. You might lose a couple friends, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? Because if they ain't trying to get where you want to get, and you know what I'm saying, it don't have to be the same goals, but if they ain't trying to be great and they ain't trying to, you know, want more in life, more out of life, and they just, you know, just living day to day, like, oh, it's another day. You know what I'm saying? It could be toxic. You know what I'm saying? You might lose friends, like I said. I've lost a couple. But I feel great. I feel like I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I feel better. I feel a lot better, you know what I'm saying, than I did before. Because I'm focusing on myself. You know, I'm working, I'm grinding, I'm doing my YouTube. That's part of the reason why I started my YouTube channel, because I've always wanted to start one. Even before I graduated college, like, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? But I always let my fear, people's opinions, what people might thought, you know what I'm saying, just that fear, man. Just taking a leap of faith. You know, bet on yourself. You'll never know if you don't try it. Look at me, I'm a few months in, and I'm, you know what I'm saying, now I'm not the biggest channel, but I'm going to grow. It's going to slow grind, but I'm going to grow, and I'm going to keep, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to continue to grow. Not just on YouTube, but as a man, you know what I'm saying, as a son, as a grandson. I'm all of it. I'm going to continue to grow, you know what I'm saying, keep feeding my mind with positive energy, feed my day with positive energy, surrounding myself with positive people, you know what I'm saying. We all have our days. My days aren't perfect. My days are not perfect. I'm not saying that, oh, my days are perfect. No. Every day is different. But I just know that there are more better days than there are bad days. Even if I have a bad day, I make sure I find the good out of that day. I point it out. I make sure I point out the good that happened in my bad days. So, that's it. Make sure y'all browse the channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace.
Try to be the best that I could be now. Yeah, I know we all want progress, but we just gotta fall back and learn to trust the process. Hey, and that might be hard to digest. I pray you